I've been to the Carmargue a few times and I love it here. This is a highlights video from one of my trips. It's in the south of France on the Mediterranean coast. It is definitely popular with birdwatchers. It's a good place to get some nice close views. Here I am walking at dawn and getting some really close views of flamingo. My experience is you can get good views all day, but at dawn, really good chance before there's much risk that they've been disturbed by like a dog or a noisy group or someone trying to approach too close or something like that. And of course that's why it's a slightly dark image. Lots of other spots, not just along the coast. To the north, along the road, there's quite a nice place you can stop, where I saw this black-winged stilt. And also this group of Glossy Ibis. The Carmargue is also famous for the sort of semi-wild white horses and also the Carmargue bulls. And let's just finish by getting really into the bird watching. These are Curlew Sandpipers, not the easiest bird to see in Europe, and I was pretty excited to see this group of them in the south again near the coast.